we have all sorts of NGOs that are really pushing for this. Sana huwag na natin pag-usapan ng regulation kasi regulation nalulusutan eh.
So, sir,
Nalulusutan. Kaya sana tulong-tulong po tayong pagbawal itong online gaming para sa ating bansa.
sir, appeal ba kayo na maging maisama ito sa priority kapag nag-LEDAC meeting?
Yes, if I had an opportunity na makausap po ang ating Pangulo o mga leaders natin, sana po may sama nila ito, pag-usapan nila ito sa LEDAC. Because the social cost is not worth it. It's not worth it. Nakita naman po natin nangyari sa Isabong. Yung mga naglaro po ng Isabong, biglang nabigyan ng napakalaking kapangyarihan that they already decided to take lives even into their own hands. So we want to remove this type of sickness in our society. And as I mentioned earlier, domino effect na ito. Siyempre, pag luluot na, medyo ubus ka sa utang, naadi ka sa utang, at nasa gambling, at nagkaroon ka ng napakalaking utang, ay domino effect na yan. May narinig po ako na may isang lalaki, ninakaw nila yung tip box ng restaurant last week. I read it on a news item. Dahil daw, babayaran daw niya, gagamitin daw niya sa online gaming at babayaran daw niya yung mga kautang niya dito. So, before you know it, we'll be a nation of gamblers and we'll be a nation sinking into this gambling addiction.
So yung online gaming giant DigiPlus Interactive Corporation, which operates sa Bingo Plus, Arena Plus, and Game Zone, sumulat sila sa Philippine Stock Exchange, and they said that the recent price shocks had been triggered by the filing of the online gambling regulatory bill and online gambling prohibition bills at the Senate and House of Representatives. So ibig sabihin,
But that's part of the game. I mean,
kahit mawalan sila.
sin yan eh. Alam mo yung kung mga may sin taxes, di ba? Ano ba yung sin taxes? Yung alcohol, sigarilyo, sugal. Ano yan eh? It's an item, guys. It is a game. It is a vice that is not needed by society, di ba? So, pag pumasok ka dito sa industriya na ito, it's fair game. It's fair game. So, maraming bansa, like for example, Singapore, heavily regulated yung casino. As a matter of fact, yung casino nila ay nakikita lamang sa isang lugar. And they're only given one license. And I believe locals are not allowed to play. Foreigners lang.